behind me and buzzing a little bit later on is the Cheese and Honey donut stand. She's not here yet. We'll come back later on, but you're going to love this. If you come to Korea or Busan, you have to check out this lovely cheese and honey donut. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. 감사합니다.
Somebody else is ordering as well. So you've got that combination of cheese, you've got the saltiness, you've got the sweetness of the honey inside. How delicious. And then when it's cooked, it'll be served in a little cup like this. Turns it over. So we've got inside, we've got cheese
and sugar and cinnamon.
Oh, sugar and cinnamon.
Peanuts.
Peanuts. Yeah. Small peanuts. Bring it up. Beautiful. So the lady dips her hand in the hot oil just to sort of get some grease on her hand, but really quickly, because that would burn, right? Coming up. So Xiao's going to put the money in there. Okay. So the lady who's actually serving these doesn't touch the dirty money, which is a great idea. She takes it, pops it onto the side here to dry, little drip. So now they're just dripping on the side, just cool, letting the oil drip out of them. And then we're going to put them into these little cups. The lady's going to fold them up, pop them into these cups. Thank you.
감사합니다.
Thank you. And I'm telling you, these are so delicious. I love them. This is only the second time we've had them, but it won't be the last, that's for sure. Beautiful. 감사합니다. How cool is that? Now, the name is Cheese and Honey. It's going to be super hot at the moment, but how cool. What a lovely lady. So she was the first lady in the area to actually make it. So apparently she's quite famous. Let's give this a try. Shall I go?
Yeah, it'll be hot.
So you got salty, cheesy. It's really, really nice. Now I've got all the cinnamon there, cinnamon sugar, a little bit of cheese. Oh man, that is really good. I'm not sure what dough. It's like a really sort of sweet and salty donut. Oh, absolutely delicious.
It seems your mind and mine are strangely intertwined, and that's just a-okay with me. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me.